seize Tumbleton. He dares me to rain fire down on a seat that raised my banner.
You! Go with them!
Does he mean to somehow win their support?
We must guard our intent quietly. We must presume these men hold allegiance only to themselves.
You river folk? I fucking hate river folk.
Our soldiers need to be paid, else there will be bedlam.
Name a master of coin. The people will soon discover are lacking resources. They can blame him.
We seek the Prince Aemond.
If you know where he is, I'd advise you to be forthcoming.
Oh my.
My purpose is to restore the rightful line to the Iron Throne.
It is the will of the gods.